Hey, I need a locksmith. All right, thanks. Whoa, hey, you need a locksmith? Okay, well, I'm locked down in my truck.
All right, I'll take a look at it.
Please do.
Well, that's your problem right there.
What?
Keys are locked in it.
I know, I told you.
That's gonna be a big job. I'm gonna need my tools.
All right.
I'm gonna need Otis.
Otis?
Yeah.
Otis. Who's that?
This guy? This guy's Otis. Otis! Oblige him. Good job.
How much do I owe you?
Outlaws, they're outlaws, they're outlaws in the sheriff.